What if I told you I built this entire memory card game with animations, a timer, move counter, and a windscreen just by typing a prompt? No manual coding. And the best part, you can build this too, completely free. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I did it. Right from downloading the tools, setting it up on my PC, writing the prompt, and watching the AI build the entire game in front of my eyes. Don't skip any part of this video because you need to follow each step exactly I show you. Alright, let's get into it. Open your browser and search for Google Antigravity. So go for Google Antigravity official website. Okay, so what you need to do is here you need to download this IDE. So I'm using Mac OS. I'll click for download for Mac OS, and here I'm using Apple Silicon chip. So I click on download. Okay, it has started downloading for me. Alright, let's wait for it gets downloaded. Alright, so now here if you can see it has downloaded. I just need to install this application in my Mac. So in Mac it is very easy to install this application. I just need to double click on it and I just need to copy this to my applications folder. If you are using Windows, then there it is simple, like you just need to double click and install the application, like usually how you install other applications. All right, okay, so let me install this. Okay, it is copying this application to the applications folder here. All right, okay, okay, it has copied to the applications folder. Now I will just open this application for the first time. It will ask for setting up your IDE theme, and you just need to keep all the existing recommended settings, and you just need to click on next, 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 and after that you will see this IDE interface. All right, so here if you can see, this IDE looks similar to a VS Code editor. If you are familiar with VS Code editor, this IDE exactly looks similar to that. Okay, but this is completely AI powered IDE. All right, so here what I need to do is I just need to open a folder. So to open a folder, first what I will do, I want to create an game. So I will create a folder first. I will go to my downloads and I will create a folder called okay, so I will create a folder called my game. Okay, so I have created this folder called my game here. Alright, then I will come back to my anti-gravity IDE and I will click on open folder and I will just open the my game folder which I created in my downloads folder. Alright, okay, here if you can see I just opened the folder, and now here if you can see you can use any model. You can choose any model. For now, for this video, I'm going to select Claude Sonnet 4.6 thinking. All right, okay, and I'll keep this planning as it is. Okay, it will plan before creating an application. Okay, so now what you need to do is in a description below I have given attached a link. Okay, click on that link and download a PDF in which I have given a prompt. You just need to copy that prompt and paste it here exactly as it is. Okay, so once you paste this prompt here, what you just need to do is you just need to click on this blue color run button, arrow mark button here. All right, Okay, here if you can see, it started working on it, it started generating something. Okay, what it does is now it will plan how this software should look, how this software should be built, and everything. So here it has created a plan. Okay, so you can see this is the plan it's going to work on. So all right, so what you just need to do here, you just need to click on run. I click on run. All right, so it will keep asking you run, accept, and something like that. You just need to click on that run, and you need to accept if it is asking to accept something. Okay, then it asked me to accept something here. I clicked on accept. All right, so yes, so it is installing a React. I guess it is creating all the React components of files. All right, once it creates all the files, you can see it on my okay, you can see the files in the left sidebar. It has created all these files here. All right, what you just need to do is just you need to click on accept, run, and you just need to keep going on like that. All right, so here it says working, coding. All right, we'll wait for some time. Okay, it's writing something, it's creating some UI, I guess UI interface, user interface. It's generating all these files. Okay, here. All right, if there is any error, it will automatically solves by itself. You just don't need to do anything. This is awesome tool, man. If you are familiar with cursor and everything, this is similar to that, but this tool here, this is completely free to use. Okay, for now, I don't know, in the future it might be paid, but here now it is completely free to use. So okay, then it asked for run again, so I'll click on this run. All right, okay, let's wait and see how it builds the application for me. Okay, all right, right. Okay, so after building certain features, UI, it has automatically opened my browser. Okay, okay, it has created something like this user interface, but the application not yet ready still, because it's creating everything still. All right, let's wait until it completely creates all the components required and the UI completely. Okay, here if you can see this as created or generated complete application for me, and it is asking me to do npm run dev. I'll just copy and paste this into this prompt section here. All right, I'll just copy this. Okay, I'll do one thing, I'll just copy this entire and I will paste it here. Okay, what it does, it will automatically runs this. And okay, now if you can see here, it is running in the localhost port 5174 something. So I just need to copy that and open this in a browser. Here if you can see, it has created with this cool came here. Okay, once I click on do this, it has started a timer, and also you can see the mouse count. Okay, let me play this game quickly. Okay, basic idea here is you just need to remember the same kind of animal face, and you just need to match them. It's kind of memory game. All right, if you have played this before, you will be knowing this game. All right, yeah, this is cool, man. I won. See, you won. This game was cool. All right, I didn't do anything, I didn't write any single line of code. everything is built by this anti-gravity. All right, man, this is cool and awesome. If you found this video cool and helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be bringing more upcoming videos on AIs and building cool stuffs like this with AI, and also from the scratch. And also I will be giving you the code for free if I built it from the scratch. All right, so let's meet you in the next video. Thank you.